Asphaltech, resurfacing of Barbagallo Raceway and construction of Turn 3 Chicane. Asphaltech had previously resurfaced the track in 2004 using conventional dense-graded asphalt. This time, it proposed to use its innovative race-spec stone mastic asphalt. Having produced and laid over 1 million tonnes over the past 20 years, Asphaltech knew it was a far superior surface. Barbagallo Raceway became the only racetrack in Australia and only one of 5 in the world with an SMA surface. Asphaltech also constructed a new chicane, which was needed to comply with national safety standards for racing motorbikes. All works, including profiling and curbing, had to be carefully sequenced over 3 weeks up to mid-January, working right through the Christmas break. The client was very happy with the smoothness and rideability of the track, but the true test was how it performed for the V8 supercars in May. The supercars beat the old lap record by 3 seconds, with driver Fabian Coulthard saying, "It's awesome. I wish every track was like this." DeGrey Civil, Utah Road Rehabilitation Stage 1. The emerging Pilbara lithium industry, combined with the existing iron ore and manganese markets, means a consistent and relentless cycling of 215-ton road trains through the Utah Point bulk handling facility via Utah Road. Rehabilitation of the road would require high environmental, safety and quality standards and could not impact export operations. The surrounding mangroves and soft ground meant that putting diversions and side tracks in place was not an option, so traffic had to be carefully managed. The Pilbara Ports Authority chose a foam bitumen stabilised base course pavement as a solution to the unique circumstances of heavy traffic pavements built on soft mangrove muds in a tidal setting. The pavement specification exceeded industry standards, lifting the bar on design criteria and construction compliance to levels not normally seen in WA. DeGrey Civil completed the project safely to a high standard, on time and on budget, with its local knowledge being a key contributor to the project's success. GMF Civil, Christchurch Grammar School Boathouse Ramp, Civil Works. Working in a difficult-to-access and environmentally sensitive area, GMF replaced a steep and narrow limestone and sandbush track with a safe access walkway, service deck, ramp and landing to the school's rowing boat shed on the Swan River shoreline. There were numerous challenges given the project's location. All large plant machinery had to be transported via barge from Fremantle. To enable the construction of gabion baskets, shoreline earthworks and footings, some below sea level, GMF installed water barriers, which helped reduce the effects of tidal movements and also enabled works below the sea level at high tides. Every effort was made to minimise potential impacts to the river and river foreshore. GMF identified and reused material where possible to support environmental sustainability and to reduce costs and issues associated with importing material to site. Careful planning and logistics were required to ensure easy-flowing access within the site, movement of plant, and to manage many subcontractors. R.J. Vincent & Co., Shenton Park Hospital Redevelopment, Montario Quarter. This project forms part of a master plan to transform the old hospital site into a thriving new urban precinct with about 1,500 apartments and townhouses and a shopping precinct. High levels of asbestos contamination, along with other unique contaminants within the buildings and foundations, contributed to the project's multiple challenges, which also included the protection of 2 significant heritage buildings. The upgrade of the Selby Street-Nash Street intersection was particularly challenging as it required construction under live traffic. RJV's innovative proposal to construct a bypass road within the project site alleviated concerns over potential traffic disruptions. Given the hospital's 100-year history, a detailed process for unexpected fines was developed, with 165 fines recorded, including asbestos sheeting and pipe, numerous underground services and structures, and waste. The project achieved a prestigious environmental Green Star rating, with 98% of all demolished building materials recycled and diverted from landfill. Westforce Construction. Design and construct Picton Substation roof. Westforce was contracted by Western Power to replace the roof of the relay room at the Picton Substation, which supplies power to the Bunbury area. Works included asbestos removal, temporary structural design, permanent structural design and lighting, and low-voltage electrical design and install. A key requirement of the job was for works to be completed while the relay room and its critical components remained live. The existing building is positioned between 132 kV conductors, with a clearance of less than 4 metres at each end. Due to the clearance restrictions and high safety risk, each end bay could only be constructed under planned isolations. The roof replacement occurred without incident and within the tight time frames of the 2 isolations. Multiple high-risk work challenges were overcome to deliver a safe and on-time project with minimal disruption. The project was delivered on time, on budget, and with zero safety, quality, or environmental incidents.